I'm greeting you on our channel. Hello guys, today I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $315. And our first step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click register up there, and in this menu we will see 4 variants for registration. In one click, phone registration, email, and social networks. I'm choose right now in one click because it will be faster for us right now. And you can choose 3 other variants for your pleasure if you want, or in one click too. And current value to US dollar, and current country is your current country. Mine is Australia. Tap there, and next step, choose your bonus on casino or on spots. I'm usually choose on spots. Next, enter the current promo code is GG48. Next, confirm all the rules and start the game. Guys, I will also clarify that any promotional code gives you deposit bonus only once. Please remember this for your pleasure, because it's important to get your first bonus to deposit. And after loading, we will see our login and password. I recommend you to screenshot this or download as a file for your pleasure, for don't lose your bonus deposit. And if you're ready to go to next step, in payment page, in menu deposits. In this menu, you need to choose your variant. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. And support us, support our channel. Follow the link in the description. That's Work Miro, and there you can find your current promo code. And it's so important for us. Your support, it's cool. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if our video helped you, like it and write comments. That will be great for us, for our channel. Thank you very much, goodbye, and good luck to all. Have fun.